What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yesterday I forgot to record, so today I'm going to record two. So this is going to be the first of two. So let's get straight into the Bible verse of the day, which says, it's from Habakkuk 2 verse 14. For as the waters fill the sea, the earth will be filled with an awareness of the glory of the Lord. End times, people, end times. So today I'm going to go over 4 trades, back testing that I took, and why I didn't take a live trade. Okay, so let's start off here. As you can see, that's today. We missed yesterday. So yesterday marked out Asia highs, Asia lows, neither were hit, so we didn't take a trade. I'm still bullish, so today we mark out Asia highs, lows. Hopefully we get a little break and retest of the highs, something like that. Also, I would have traded GBPJPY today, but there was news. I'm going to start trading GBPJPY because why not? Trade 2 assets instead of 1 is better. But let's get straight into the back testing trades. Maybe we can go outside for this. It's quite a nice day, super sunny, super bright. Let's see. Oh. Wow, it's hot. How's the lighting? Nah, it's alright, it's not so good. So anyways, the first trade we took was a long. It's so quiet outside, guys. I feel like being loud is just disrespectful. So our first trade was a long 1% win. The 4 hour was kind of consolidating, but the higher time frame was bullish. This is on gold in London session, and the 30-minute was bearish. I said this was a good trade. It was a bit early in the session. We were only about 20 minutes in, but I saw a really clean setup and we entered on a 5-minute breakout structure and an inverse fair value gap. 4 hours was also showing signs of bullishness based off of equilibrium. We also trailed stop loss well for some extra profit. Oh, and I just closed the tab by accident. And here is the trade that we took. Today is the 18th, so let's go here. Gold during London session. As you can see, we entered here off of the lows being interacted with super early in the session, and then we hit our take profit 1. I don't know why we didn't hit take profit 2, but yeah, we take profit 1, which was quite a low profit, but we got a little bit extra profits from our trailing stop loss. Next trade, as you can see, was gold in the New York session. Was a win. There we go, a 2% win almost. I said the 4 hours bullish, 30-minute was bullish. We longed. Said it was a good trade, nice clean entry, conferences, and we had a good bias. We targeted 4-hour equilibrium and Fibonacci levels, where we actually used them to determine our bias and to target take profits. We entered on a 5-minute breakout structure, inverse fair value gap. I could have made more by trailing the stop loss, but when skipping ahead, I accidentally clicked a few candles too fast. So it's as you can see, we entered long here, hit take profit 1, maybe 2, and then I forgot to drag up the trailing stop loss and I clicked too far ahead, so it just dropped like down there, and I should have put it maybe down there, maybe somewhere up there, but not a bad trade nonetheless. And as you can see, the next trade was a win, but we forgot to take a screenshot. Always happens, I always forget screenshots. But let's go over it. It was a GBPJPY in the London session. It was a lovely 5% big win, long, covering a plethora of all these losses that we've actually been taking in the GBPJPY London session backtesting. So now we're only 0.25% drawdown total on the account. So the daily bias, the 4 hour had a bullish order flow with bearish structure, and the 30-minute was bearish. I said this was a very good trade. We noticed a 4 hour high time frame liquidity sweep, and we caught a beautiful bullish move, which was a bearish retrace on the higher time frames. We targeted fib levels, and we hit three very well set take profits, and then stop loss, which was in a lot of profit. We entered on a 5-minute break of structure, a fair value gap, and an inverse fair value gap. And because I forgot to take a screenshot, I can't show you guys that one. So let's get into the final session of the day, New York session. GBPJPY, 4 trades, 4 wins today. This one was a 2.56% win. The 4 hour had a bullish structure with bearish order flow, and the 30-minute was bullish. I said this was a good trade. With a good entry and good bias, we targeted higher time frame liquidity draws. Take profit 1 was a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, so it was very good. We had take profit 1, then stop loss in a bit of profit. We entered on a 5-minute break of structure, inverse fair value gap, and here is the trade. As you can see, we hit take profit 1, which was up here, then we dragged stop loss up a little bit, and eventually it came down to hit our stop loss and profit. So thank you all for watching. I put something, oh yes, so today, as you can see, it says over here 7 days. We only have 7 days per backtesting session, so every 7 days I kind of reset the session, and that's why I say session reset on here. But what I wanted to say about that was, if you come down here, I just put in an account plan because I don't know why. When I create the sessions to backtest, I select my asset, GBPJPY or gold, and then for time I'm going to be pressing random, so I can just backtest random time in history. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Thank you all for watching very much. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all later today with another video. 4 backtesting trades again, and hopefully 1 live trade, hopefully 1 live win, hopefully 1 live long on gold. And if we don't get it, as you can see here, then we'll just have to trade tomorrow. So thank you all for watching, and notice the background because it might change a bit later. Bye bye guys, see you in the next one.